Hi everyone. In this video I will explain about how to change drive letter in Windows 10. Before we start, press the subscribe button below, activate the bell and press the like button if you like. What I mean by drive letter is this letter. The letter that marks the partition or storage media installed on our computer. Now I will show you how to change these letters. I will change this letter to F. And I will change this letter to G. The method is quite easy, only requires a few steps and the letters have been replaced. First, right-click on this PC. Then choose Manage. The Computer Management window will appear. Then select Device Management. To change the letters you can right-click here. Or here. Then select Change Drive Letter and Path. And this form will appear. I will cancel this first. I will change the letters for this drive first. Right-click here, then select this. Or here. Well, a window like this will appear. Look, the drive letter for now is F. Click the Change button to change it. One more window will appear. Change the letter to G. Then press OK. Press Yes. Press Yes again if it appears like this. Now let's look at the results. Look, the letters have changed to G. Now let's change the drive letter D to F. The same way as before. Right-click on this PC, then select Manage. After that, select Device Management. Here. And right-click on Drive D and select Change Drive Letter and Path. Then click Change. Change the letter D to F. Then click OK. Just click Yes if this dialog box appears. Now we see the results. This drive letter which was previously D has been changed to F. And the drive letter that was previously F has changed to G. Now we try to return all letters to the beginning. That we have changed to F. We will change it back to D. And what has changed to G, we will change it back to F in the same way as before. Open Computer Management, then select Device Management. Then change the letter F to D as before. And change the letter G to F as well. Then close this Computer Management and let's see the results. Well, the letters have changed again. Easy, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to press the subscribe button below. Activate the bell and press the like button if you like.